What's up, Galaxy Girls? It's your girl, Easy Breezy, and today we're doing a big transformation on my model today. We're taking her from black straight hair to big curly red hair. Okay, period. So watch this entire transformation and make sure you stay tuned to the end so you can find out how to win a free install or free products. All right, YouTube, you already know we are at the Galaxy Girl Beauty Loft, and today I am doing an install on my model, Erica. Now, Erica is super pregnant, y'all. Y'all can't tell, but when she stands up, her stomach is big. Like, she's ready to pop in less than 2 months. But my girl will not stop getting her hair done, okay? Period. So today we are doing an install on her, and before I did some tape-ins on her, if y'all remember that video on my channel, but today she wanted something a little bit different. So we're doing a big curly burgundy red wig on her. So I would like to thank the sponsor for making this video happen today. Thank you so much, Allie Grace, for giving us the wig today. Now, remember guys, if you love this look and you want to try it for yourself, then I'm going to put all the information and the links and discount codes in the description below. Now, with the lace, right? Normally, I would have my complaints about the lace being too light, but today that's actually perfect because the last time I did Erica's hair, I feel like the lace had a little bit of tint to it, but because she's so fair-skinned, it's like you saw the lace. So I'm really glad that the lace is actually really light this time because it should really fit her skin perfectly. So let's go ahead and do this install on her. We're gonna make her a completely different girl, okay? Also, make sure y'all stay to the very end and pay attention in this video because somewhere in this video I hid secret instructions, okay? That will give you the chance to win free products. Matter of fact, $75 worth of free products from GalaxyGirlHair.com so you can install your wigs flawlessly at home. Yeah, I don't know about y'all, but we did that. Like for real. Like that lace could be growing out of her scalp like right now. So once again, thank you so much Allie Grace for sponsoring this video with this curly 99J wig. Now if you guys want this exact unit, I'm gonna put all the information in the description below. Make sure y'all check out their website and use my special discount code so you can get some money off your next purchase. Also, if you are not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you go ahead and do that. Turn on your notifications, like and share this video if you love it, and I'll see you later.